morning, everybody.
Good morning.
For today's class, I'm going to teach you all how to make breakfast burritos. The ingredients we're going to be using are scrambled eggs, impossible sausage, hash brown patties, shredded cheddar, and tortillas. Alright, actually, first we grab our tortilla. Then we sprinkle on a little cheese. Your turn. Alright, next, we're grab a potato patty. Next. Alright, some scrambled eggs. Next, we take a possible sausage and place it like this. Next, we grab one part of our tortilla and our sides. If we turn on our stove top, place our wraps face down. I know, yours is looking a lot better than mine. Okay. Something like so. You see these parts? You see these toasted parts? That's how you know. That's how you know. That's how you know. That's how you know. It's being cooked real well. Alright. Alright. Next, we grab our plates. Take it out using our spatula. Alright? Very careful now. In that class, it's how you make a delicious breakfast burrito.